U.S. Senator and Minnesota Governor candidate Amy Klobuchar is outlining her health care agenda if she's elected. The primary is just 16 days away now, but Senator Klobuchar isn't facing any real challenge for the Democratic nomination. Fox 9's Leon Purvis joins us now live in studio with more on Senator Klobuchar's policies.
Randy, Senator Klobuchar spent today unveiling her health care plan, saying she wants to lower costs and strengthen rural hospitals. She also laid out her plan to fight fraud and told us why she believes her experience sets her apart from Governor Tim Walz.
Tim was also in Congress, but I have had that statewide experience, and I'm coming in with that. I know where the money's buried.
Senator Amy Klobuchar centering her campaign for governor on, among other things, health care. She says the Klobuchar administration would modernize aging hospitals and strengthen rural health systems. The senator also prioritized stable funding for EMS across greater Minnesota.
Several hospitals and clinics across Minnesota, many of them in rural areas, are at risk because of those Medicaid cuts, in addition to the premiums problems, but the Medicaid cuts in the big beautiful bill, or as some call it, the big ugly bill. After these cuts fully kick in, more than 140,000 Minnesotans, think about that, could lose their health coverage.
Klobuchar argues those changes at the federal level will put even more pressure on rural health care providers already struggling to stay open. Republican gubernatorial candidate Lisa Demuth pushed back, saying many of those priorities are already underway, writing, quote, "I've already done it. Last session, we created a hospital stabilization fund and grants specifically for rural and critical access hospitals." Fraud is also a major issue this election. Klobuchar says she would keep up the work to get back stolen taxpayer dollars, including a full audit of the state government.
Hopefully that will be resolved before I would come in office, but if it's not, I'll do everything to stop the fraud and get the money for Minnesota.
Demuth's response on that one, quote, "There is only one candidate in this race who has what it takes to finally slam the door on fraud in Minnesota and hold fraudsters accountable for the billions of dollars stolen from taxpayers." Now, we also reached out to Kendall Qualls, the state GOP pick for governor, and Mike Lindell, who has been endorsed by President Trump. We did not receive a response from either before airtime. Live in studio, Leon Purvis, Fox 9.
All right, Leon, thank you. A U.S. appeals court has upheld an injunction that blocks